Hey everyone, this is Mitch from NZCS here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a signature in Microsoft Outlook. So on my screen I have Outlook open. If you go to the File button in the top left, click on that, and then click on the Options button in the bottom left, and then the Mail button in the column, and the Signatures button. From here we can create our signature. Going to add in some details. So you can add whatever you want to your signature. You can add your name, your email address, phone number, business name, a company photo, for example, which you can also link to the website, which we'll do this today as well. So let's just call Joe Bloggs the tester, and he can be working at the testing company. And cool. And let's add a image for the company logo. Perfect. And there we go. And we're going to add a link to this image. So if a customer or a client were to get this email with the signature in it, if they hover over the company logo, it can take them directly to the company's website. So let's add a link. Make it .nz. Now, choosing the default signature for messages, so I'm going to apply this signature to new messages and to replies and forwards, but you can have two different signatures for each one if you choose. Cool, that's now done. And okay, so now when I generate a new email, the signature is going to be there automatically, and when I reply to an email, the signature will attach it to itself to the reply.